Let's do exercise 8.3, question number 6, part number 2, compounded half yearly. Half yearly means, see, here principal would be same, rupees 80,000, and in half yearly mode we have to take the half of the rate. Here rate is 10%, then half of the 10 would be 5%, and time will be double, twice of the time here. So let's simplify this. 2 ones are 2, then here 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 its half will be, sorry, its double will be twice of 3 by 2 will be 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here 3 years would be the time for half yearly mode. Now let's put the value, because in compound interest the rate will be half of the given rate and the time will be double of the given time. So this thing keep in your mind very well. So let's find the amount here. Let's put the value. Formula is P in the bracket 1 plus R upon 100 and its power is T. So after putting the value, principal is the given amount in your question 1, then plus rate is, after taking half, our rate is 5, time is 3 years, so that the value will be now see how we are doing. 5 ones are, then 5 twos are 10, one more 0 is remaining, then 1 upon 20. 1 upon 20 means 20 divided by 1, we get 20 divided by 1, we have 20, 20 multiplied by 1, we have again 20, 20 plus 1, we have 21 upon 20. Its power is, see, its power is 3. You can see from here. Then 80,000, then 21 upon 20, you will write here 3 times. 3 times. Why 3 times? Because its power is 3. Let's cancel this value, this 0 with this 0, this 0 with this 0, this 0 with this 0. Then after, here 2 4s are 8, okay, with this 2, with this 2 2s are 4, then here with this 2 10s are 20, then after 10, what is remaining here? 10 into 21, this 21, then this 21, then this 21, 3 times, no? Okay, now your value is rupees 92,610. So this would be the amount for compounded half yearly, and as we have to find out the difference between both the years, difference would be the amount for 1.5 years compounded annually, and the difference, and the second thing is compounded half yearly. So between both the amount, this will be greatest, so that we'll take in this way. So we'll subtract this one from this one. So this would be 0, then 1 minus 0 1, 6 minus 4 2. So the difference would be of rupees 210. So your answer will be, the difference in amounts you would be paying after you have to find, so the difference would be rupees 210. So this was question number 6. Thank you.